Hello! Hiccups, hiccups, hiccups. Give me some skin right now. Look at that. He is not happy at all. Here, ow! My hand. The name of the workout today is cowbell. So now we've been getting some concern from some people emailing us saying that they're overwhelmed because that they're not at the level that even these kids are at as far as the exercise. That makes no difference at all. We want you guys to start somewhere and to progress and to report back with us with your progress. So please start, be patient with yourself and knock it out, okay? We're gonna start off with doing, I think it's toe chest up, right?
Yeah.
Toe chest up, and then we're gonna do jacks, and then we're gonna do big circles or small circles. Declan's choice. 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, you guys are making me seasick. Oh, you're making me seasick
6,
right now. That's better.
8, 9 here.
Try and keep that head up,
10,
bud. That's it.
11. We all have habits. 12, 13, 14.
That's the Declan.
Exercise.
That's the
15,
Declan.
Declan, 16.
Toe, chest,
17,
up. Touch your toes, touch your chest,
18,
jump up.
19 and 20. Doesn't require a lot of focus. Toes, chest, hands together, feet together. 3, 2, 1,
Jacks.
and go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
I want to know if anybody else's jump rope skills have improved, Emily. Declan's is really improved. Kira's doing great.
20.
Me, not so much.
Big circles or small circles?
Big, small.
Big, small.
Big, small.
Big, small? Forward. 20 or 10. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2.
Arms out
3,
straight.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You ready, Wild Man? What are we doing now?
50. We're doing 50.
Can you knock them off?
3, 2, 1, go.
The best ones ever. Here we go.
There's ones on the floor, Kira. She's going to do her chest press instead just because of her hand.
Definitely. 3, 2, 1, and go.
So this is an alternative. Kira's not able to do push-ups right now, so she's doing chest press. If you don't have weights, you're doing single arm push-ups there, Dave? If you don't have weights, you can use water bottles, a cat, a bottle of something.
27, 28, 29, and
30.
And
Use
out.
guinea
Here we
pigs.
go. 3, 2, 1, and go.
They might wriggle a little bit.
Also the cat.
Yeah.
8 is supposed to be our anniversary workout, right, guys?
That's right. 16 years today.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10. Do what you can. Even if it's every other one. 22.
23, 24,
26, 27,
30.
You want to be getting down on those because you want to be stretching out these muscle groups and getting blood all over. Be prepared for the rest. 3, 2, 1, and go. 19, 20. Back up, handsome. 3, 2, 1, and go.
That's it, Kira. Good.
Fifteen, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's a bad habit.
Woo! All right, sit-ups, guys.
3, 2, 1, go.
Declan, you used to do better when you put your feet under Daddy's feet. Try that. That used to work
2,
great.
1, and go.
Or under mine. Come here, Al. There you go. You're doing it. You're not holding on. Try and go back all the way. Number, Kira?
5. Yeah.
Yeah,
What's wrong with your stomach?
it hurts.
Muscles?
I have problems. I don't know.
13. You might have problems at home too.
14.
You might have some sore muscles. If you do, one day do crunches. Caroline will explain.
17, yeah.
Modify.
If you can't do the full sit-ups, just do like Kira's doing. But put your chin to the sky, that's it. You're still working the ab muscles. If you're doing this, if you're doing it every day, it can get tricky.
26. 27.
To make it a little bit harder, Kira can put her feet up a little bit.
29.
That's it.
30.
40.
Pretty. That's it.
Just do your
2,
lunges, don't
1,
jump, D.
and go.
Just do a lunge. That's it. And time with Daddy.
Lunge down.
Oh, come forward, Declan. We can't see you.
You want to lunge down, not forward. Mom will talk to you.
Drop the back leg, D. Bend the back knee. All the way down. That's it. There you go.
Other side, 3, 2, 1, and go.
So bend that back leg. Have both feet facing forward. And the back leg dips down to the floor. That's it. How are those legs feeling, Kira? She's getting a listing off to the side there. That's it. Better, Declan. That's best.
30.
And like Declan had trouble with the jump lunges. If you can't do the jumps, just do a regular lunge. It's all good.
2, 1, and action. You can crunch if you need to. So, Mom videoed, or Kira videoed last time, the beginning part.
It was
But she
upside
videoed it
down.
Upside down, so Mom had to work on her skills when she downloaded it to YouTube.
I'm learning a lot here.
Remember, Kira?
Otherwise, you guys would have been all upside down.
Now I can see it.
15,
Now I know which way to go. 17.
8,
18.
19, and 20.
You headbutting your knees,
We
Declan?
should have been done by this time today too. We had a couple of hiccups early, didn't we? Some people are really not up for it some days. 2, 1, and action.
We all have those days.
8.
Good lunging, Kira.
2 and go. 1.
2, 1, and go.
Try and get that back leg all the way down. Bend that back knee, Declan. That's it. There you go. Get it down there. There you go. Good boy. Daddy, you're doing great too. 16. That's the right number.
20. 5, 23. You will need some weights, good
Frisbee.
sized weights, a couple of small ones for
And a
some
cowbell.
shoulder exercises. If you have a cowbell or a little bell or something to ding,
Something that makes noise.
you will need a target to ding onto. I don't care what that is. In the end, it could be a dumbbell standing up, like here.
Put something in the egg.
And a
We will
couple of
see you
frisbees.
In a second. Oh, and a couple of frisbees or something to slide with. If you're on a hard surface, you can grab a couple of towels, fold them up, put your feet on top of them, and use them. See you in a second.
Okay, drink water.
We are go. Hi guys, we are back. We are back. We have moved things over to the side. As you can see, every person has, this is my position. I have a score marker, frisbee. I have a bell. Mom has cowbells. Should be forward a little bit more, Mom. You want to be have them on an extension. I've got a weight compatible for me for shoulders, and then I've got another one for a goblet. We have frisbees out back. So again, you can use something slippery, anything slippery. If you want to pause it and write down these exercises, click, and then we have a handful of them over here. Each one of us are going to run up, grab one, and come back and do it. Mom's going to show you. The first one is the lunge to a teacup. You can hold a weight if you want. In a goblet. Hold the weight in the goblet.
So it's going to be down for a lunge,
And then bring it down.
down for a teacup.
Uh-huh.
Down for a lunge, down for a teacup. You're going to do 16 on one leg and 16 on the other leg.
16, 16. Those are going to take a little bit of time. We might end up doing 8, 8, but that's all right. We'll start with 16.
Yeah.
Second one is the plank taps.
Oh.
Plank taps are going to be
You're going to set yourself up to where this is a reach, and then get yourself into your plank.
reach, meaning a straight arm. You want to have to get to a strong arm. You're going to do 16 with each arm. 16 is the number because it's our anniversary year. 16. The third one is goblet low with squat.
So you hold the goblet, the weight, or the stem of the weight should be at your chin at all times. And then you're going to bring it down so that your elbows go down past your knees, and then bring it up to a squat, to a jump.
You can't
Up
jump,
to
you don't have
hop. Yeah, calf crunches.
This is my favorite app, so I wrote it down.
So she's gonna do double reps on these.
So,
We're doing 16, 16. We might end up just doing 16 on those two. We'll see. Frisbee runners. Frisbee quickly, Caroline. Frisbee runners. Low plank. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 for 16. And last but not least is front out and down in a low lunge. You're doing 16 of these, so you'll want your lighter weights. Front out and down, hold the low lunge, front, and when you bring it up, you're going to put your palms backwards as though you're swimming in a pool and trying to grab water.
you don't need much weight for this one.
Your goal is to try to keep the weight at shoulder height the entire time. Switch legs at 90 and then back to it. All right, my guest camera person is going to come up and knock this bad boy out.
Go.
All right, guys, we're going to start off. We're going to do it for a timed amount of time. Declan's going to start off, grab one. If you want to go along with us, you're more than welcome to go along with us. Kira, is he counting?
Yep.
Okay, 2, 1, and go, Declan. Go, go, go. Grab one.
It's okay, just
Bring it back, bring it back. No, just grab one, just grab one, just grab one. He listens on the third time every time.
It's okay,
Read
tell me
it.
what it is.
Read it.
Shoulder front out down, so get your little
Shoulder,
weights.
front out and down. Little weights, Declan.
Lunge position.
All right, we're going to go lunge position, fronts out and down. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Get that knee down, D.
6,
Dad, watch me.
7. Uh-oh, Kira's coaching you.
Uh-huh.
Wait a minute. 8. 8, and then switch
Oh
legs.
yeah, okay.
3, 2, 1, and go.
So down in front.
2,
That's it.
3, 4, 5,
Just wash your knuckles on the side.
6, 7, and 8. Mom, go.
Oh my god.
Go, go, go. Keep them close by, Declan. You guys at home, don't throw them.
Lunge to teacup. So
Lunge
your
to
long
teacups. So, we're going to lunge like so. We're going to lunge back. We're going to teacup down. Lunge back. Teacup down. Lunge back. Teacup down. We're only doing 8 each side. It's going to be way too long.
4, yeah. 5,
6,
You're good. Keep going.
7,
Go lunge.
8.
8. Switch legs.
Leg 3, 2, 1, and go. Lunge.
1, 2. Watch me, D. Down to the lunge.
3. You can go up against the walls if you need to.
Kind of like you're falling.
Yes, I am.
Whoa.
How you doing, Kira?
Good.
I'm
6,
sure you are.
Are you sweating?
7.
I'm not. You guys?
All right, Daddy,
8.
you look.
I'm not good with my eyes. Lunge to teacup.
Oh no.
That's another reason why
Bigger
we're
weight.
doing
Bigger
8.
weight again.
Lunge down.
5 of these.
1. 2.
If somebody gets teacups again, I'm 3. We're just doing 5.
6.
That's your 8.
Whoa. 8. Other side and
I'm supposed to be 9. Don't mind me.
8. All you, D.
Go, D, go.
Go, D, go.
Pick one up. Tell me what it is.
Plank, reach, tap.
Okay?
Plank,
So-
reach, tap. Remember, you want to reach out, guys. Low plank. 2, 1, and go. 2, 2, 8, 8, 9, 10, 10, How did I go faster than everybody?
Because you're stronger.
Plank reach taps. Let's try that again.
All right. Instinct, just touch it, guys. Don't pick it up and shake it. 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't worry about it, dear.
I got it.
12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 16.
Good job, D.
I don't think we want them again, do we?
No.
No.
At least we're not married 20 years.
Calf crunches.
Yay!
Your favorite. If you need a cushion, grab an extra pillow, put it underneath you. Start hugging your knees. 2, 1, and go.
1.
And I'm doing a variation.
Good boy. Yeah, if your back bothers you, do what Declan's doing
8.
and put your hands behind you.
We're only doing 16. No, because it doesn't make sense. 13, 14, 15, 16. I want to get in muscles. Good.
Oh, sorry.
I'm only doing 16. Declan, go. I'm only doing 16. We need to get in muscles. I can't sit too much time.
Kira, keep it steady.
Goblin to squat.
Goblet low squat.
16 of these. Hold it up high, Deck.
So grab your weight
Wide
like
on the
this.
stance. Knees, elbows are going to go between the legs. 2, 1, and go.
I thought you meant to do one.
You did.
15, 16. Doing great, Deck. Really
Gas
good.
crunches.
Gas crunches again.
16.
Again, double up the pad if you have to. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Don't be overwhelmed. Do it at your own pace. Write the numbers down, do it at your own pace. Don't be overwhelmed by it.
12. 13. 15. Oh.
16.
16. Oh, I messed up with my numbers.
You messed up with your anniversary numbers. That's not good.
Frisbee runners.
Okay. D.
New one.
1, 1, 2, 2 for 16, right?
Yep.
Low plank, D. Ready?
3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2. 14, 15, 16.
Okay, D, go.
Go, buddy, go.
Yeah.
No, I just went.
You just did it.
Declan, seriously?
What do you got, Hanson?
Shoulder, front, down.
Shoulders
Cool.
again, yeah? Good boy. Get your small weights.
Remember,
Yay!
lunge, fronts out and down. Deck, hold lunge.
8 and 8.
2, 1, and go.
Watch your knuckles on whatever's next to you.
3, 6.
I think we've done every single one.
8 does not require much weight at all, guys. 2, 1, and go. I only have 6 pounders, and that's plenty. The weight is so secondary.
Front, out.
Great rotator exercise for
Front, out.
everything from swimming to baseball, tennis. Oops. I need 2 minutes.
Gas crunches.
Yay!
That's why we're only doing 16 of these. We'll be sitting here doing them all day. 2, 1, and go.
1, 2,
Can I do bicycle truck?
4, 5,
Or just crunches.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
13, 14, 15. Happy anniversary.
16.
I got it.
Oh, yes, me.
I got it. Punch that on the head. Or lunge a teacup.
Lunge your teacup.
Lunge, teacup.
This isn't touching me in the head. If you need to, you can hold a wall or something.
7. You can talk more, Kira.
Well,
Eight.
I don't know Like Declan, he found something to use.
Think it's him.
Declan, seriously?
You're good at that, told too.
What is it, honey?
Cash crunchies.
He doesn't like them.
3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know the exercises, guys. You can write them down on paper with your family. You can do it any way you want to. You can do it with the dice, however you want, or just grab one. We're going to stop at probably about 16 minutes, just because time allotment. What's our total time here?
21:24.
Who? What is it, Mom?
Blank reach taps.
Blank reach tap, Declan.
Cowbells.
Another ab. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Try and push it out a little bit more, D. And try and lift your legs up.
13, 14, 15, 16, 16. Me? Yes,
You can't
here.
do the plank reach.
Just hold the plank for the time it takes us to do it. Frisbee runners.
Woo!
That's 3 abs back to back, Deck. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. $16.
Okay,
Woo!
go.
Go, 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 D. Hurry.
Cash crunches.
Okay, stand down here.
4 abs in a row. It's an ab day, I guess.
You stay down
1.
like 4 times.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Mommy, get one that's down.
Lunge to teacup.
That's not lunge, that's not down, Deck. Up, Deck.
You stole it.
3, 2, 1, and go.
I'm not here.
Get there quick. Whoa. Hey. See that, Karen? Almost fell. 4, 5,
Can I just do a teacup?
Yes.
7, 8. The idea is not to rush the exercise, it's to rush to get to the exercise. 1,
Declan, I'm over here.
8.
Go, Daddy, go.
Woo woo! Not much time, not much time. Come on, come on, come on. Ah!
Just make it up.
Got me. I didn't have to. Here we go, Dick. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Try and get your elbows next to your knees, D.
16.
Go, D, go.
Declan, go. Plank reach taps.
You got it.
I pick one that's laying down.
Do it, Dick. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Kira, you hear me?
Yeah.
High. 13, 14, 15, 16. Go, go, Mom. Every time your bell rings.
Goblet, squat.
Goblet, squat hop, deck. We've been pretty good at getting them all, though.
Pretty good.
3, 2, 1, and go.
Yeah, pick one.
Why couldn't we have been married like 8 years?
We just doubled it.
15, 16. At least we're not married like some of our people, like 50,
35.
50 plus years. That would
Give
stink.
me a cat's crunch, please.
Kind of like when we do birthday ones.
Cash crunch.
Plank reach.
7. Something in
3,
the
2, 1, and go.
Try and get up, D.
Thirsty. How much total time, Kira?
26:32.
All right, we're doing it. Stop. For 15, we're doing each exercise. What's the first one, Kira?
Let's do it, Kira.
First one is lunge to teacup.
Okay.
Each exercise.
10 and 10.
Lunge to teacup. Whatever we're supposed to do.
Okay.
Lunge, teacup.
Six. 8.
7, 8. Other side in 3, 2, 1, and go. Eight. What's the next one, hon?
Plank taps.
Like taps. We got these, Dad. We got these. 3, 2, 1, and go. Eight.
No. Double plank.
10, 11, 13,
Last time you doing it.
14, 15, 16.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Goblets.
Goblet to low squat. Yep.
I totally knew it.
Goblet, Garrett. 3, 2, 1, and go. Thirteen, 14, 15, 16.
Cat's crunch.
Calf crunches.
Gas crunch.
Mommy likes this one.
Ready, Deck? 3, 2, 1, I go. Try and hold her hand. She won't hold my hand. $15, 16.
Frisbee runners. You haven't done those a lot.
We haven't done them a lot.
Oh, it feels like we have.
Here we go, Dad. What we got? Last one.
Shoulders.
Last one, front out, down, shoulders.
Get your little weights.
Got sweat on my mouth. Here you go, Dad. Lunge down. 3, 2, 1, I go.
Oh yeah, we have one that.
Call it quasi cool down. 6, 7, 8, 2, 1, and go. Six, 7, 8.
Done.
Right to the stretch. Side stretch to hurdler side. Bring the foot out. Squat over top of the one foot. Inside thigh deck. Like I'm doing here. Breathe.
Daddy's like sweating.
I know.
Melting.
It's good. I needed a good sweat. Thank you. Thank you, Kira.
You're welcome.
Hold there for at least 10. Point the toe right up to the sky.
Oh, I feel that.
There you go. Good job, buddy.
Good here.
Good.
That's right. That's exactly what you should do.
Little shin too, okay. So just stay in there long enough. You guys can stay in there for 20
Oh, here.
and pause it. Okay, switching over. Knee on the ground. Straight body, dip that hip down.
What's the time thing, Mom?
What is your time on?
21:10. I mean, 31:10.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. Good. Before it gets to 33, you can hit pause on. Just give us a heads up.
Okay.
Okay, other side. Ten seconds worth of hold. Breathe. Flip it up, toes up. Hold, hold, hold. Every exhale, try to get another millimeter. All right, knee to the ground.
I was just thinking.
Awesome, Deck. No, you could have kept that leg out. Should have kept that leg out. You switch legs. There you go. Right on your knees. Reach over, tap your back. Grab that back of that elbow. Push. You have a towel, you can pull it there and pull down on that. And down. Hold. Number, Kira?
32:14.
Cool, we're doing good, we're doing good. Other side, put it back there. What's that? Good?
I tried to touch my hand.
Good, good, good. You can do that probably. I'm not that flexible, buddy.
I can't. I'm almost there though.
Good.
Oh, I
You
touched
can
it.
cross it over.
I can touch it, Mom.
We hit shoulders quite a bit.
Yeah, a little
And then
bit.
cross it over again.
Well done, guys.
You did it. Now get right down into that pause, pose I'm talking about.
It's like a
Palms
dog
out in front, head down below, ears below the biceps.
Mommy, it's like a dog bowing. Hi, yeah. This is done with them.
Definitely get in some back stretches and everything like that. We're under 33 right here.
32:56.
All right, guys, bye-bye. Hit pause in 3, 2.